Hi. We kind of know it all. Corona's around for like over a fucking year now. Anyways, I moved quite a while ago and I need a new mattress, and kind of you can't buy a mattress at like a normal grocery store usually. So and IKEA is kind of closed, but you can order online and pick it up. So that was kind of my option, what I can do. And I thought like, man, that's the kind of one of the few adventures and excitements you're gonna have during Corona. So I was like, yeah, let's check it out and then take you with you guys. Take you with you, yeah. And take you guys with me, not with you, yeah, whatever. So how does it work? You just go on IKEA as you would like order online, but then instead of you let it deliver, which kind of costs extra and kind of takes also more time because everybody is ordering at IKEA right now. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put your stuff in the cart, select pick up and collect. Then you need to choose a time point, kind of a day and a tight fuck. And tight. Then you'll select the bright time span where you're gonna pick up, and then you're just gonna ride to IKEA in this time span, and let's see how it works. But yeah, I made it, and so now I have to grab my phone. I'm here at P03. Oh, let's make the car. Let's stop the motor. So now I have to go to my mails, look up the order. Have to find my mail first. So I got the email here, and then I click here on check-in. Yeah, blah blah. So I hope my internet is fast enough for this. Come on. So no, yeah, okay, this has some, come on. So now I have to select my parkeervak. This is, I think the only piece here, so it's P3. Ik ben nu bij de winkel en parkeert. Zoom, please. Focus, thank you. And then I check in. And then I get this QR code. So I got this QR code now, and so I'm basically waiting to get my stuff, packing it in, and then getting the F out of H. So yeah, but it's quite simple, to be honest. Like I had trouble with my internet. It'd be nice if they have the Wi-Fi here. Oh, my stuff. Hallo, hoi hoi.
Nou, je zag wel wat je bestelling was.
Ja.
Ja, super, dankjewel.
Ja, top, bedankt.
Ik kan het je laten staan als je klaar bent.
Oké, top.
Fijne dag nog.
Fijne dag. I got my shit, guys. Now the typical exercise of getting this shit into your car. So, I got everything, and now it was quite simple, and now I'm making my way out of here. So my little conclusion and review is it's quite simple. You just go like, as I showed before, you go online, put your stuff in the cart, check out, and then choose a time where you want to pick it up, and then you go pick it up. You go there, check in, say which parking slot you have, and then yeah, just wait a bit, and then yeah, there you have it. You can still get your IKEA shit, IKEA stuff during Corona. So yeah, so I got now my new mattress and I'm really happy with it. My old one was really like more than worn out, let's say. So I'm pretty glad. I hope I could like entertain you a bit with this video, and let's see what different kinds of Corona adventures I'm gonna have in the near future. Yeah, but let me know in the comments what was your greatest excitement to now, like a little adventure during Corona or lately. And yeah, see you next week, and have a wonderful day or wonderful evening, depends when you watch this video. But yeah, farewell. Bye bye. Tschüss. Doei.